How's it going, RVers? This is Eddie here at Veurink's RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan. You've probably seen that we've had a lot of Renegade videos going up on our YouTube channel. We got one more for you. This is gonna be their 2025 Renegade Vienna, brand new floor plan. This is the 25 DLC. So what that is you're gonna have the cab over sleeping space rather than the storage option, and then a Murphy bed and a rear sofa in the back, which I'll show you when we head in there. It's kind of like an L-shaped sofa and also sleeping space. So this is the 25 DLC, brand new. We'll head in there, we'll check out the floor plan. But just a few things about Renegade, at least the Viennas. There's gonna be 4 different floor plans that you can get. There's gonna be a twin bed floor plan, a Murphy bed, a full wall slide, and then now this rear L-shaped sofa floor plan. So on the outside, you're gonna have a bunch of different exterior color options that you can do as well. This is Telluride. So you're gonna have the silver and then the black finish. I think it looks very sleek. It's a little bit more of a neutral color scheme, and then they also have like a blue option, a maroon option, but all of their paint schemes are gonna be 3 different colors with a couple layers of gel coat over top, which is pretty awesome. On the Renegade Vienna, you're also gonna be the Mercedes 3500 chassis. So that is gonna be a turbocharged 4-cylinder that's able to pull about 4,200 pounds if you are gonna be towing like a small vehicle. It is also gonna be dualies in the back, being a 3500 chassis, but check it out. You're gonna have an armless awning on all of their floor plans by Girard. Frameless windows on board, and then all of their floor plans also give you an outside entertainment. So you do have a JBL sound system, and then you got your TV right there. Renegade does make their own in-house baggage doors, which are aluminum, insulated, double hinged, and they are slam latches. It's just a solid material that you have on board. And then you do have 2 slide locks. So if you are someone that wants to be extra safe when you're going down the road, you can lock your slide in place when you're traveling. But nice slam latch baggage doors. There are a few different options that you can get on Renegade Viennas. One of the most important, or at least the biggest options, is if you wanted to do a generator or the enhanced lithium package with Gendelete. We ordered this coach with the 3.6 kilowatt propane generator. So if you did not want to have that generator on board, you'd rather have 2 400 amp hour lithium batteries, a full kind of lithium outfit without the generator, you can option that. If you want a little bit more insight kind of into what that package gives you, if you look back a couple weeks, we do have some Renegade Vienna videos that do cover that full package and what that entails. But this does have the generator. Back here, you got your rear bumper, you got your tow hookups, so 4,200 pounds, and then you do have a 7-pin connector back there, backup camera, and side view cameras on board. So in a Class C, your rear view mirror, if you just have a standard mirror, doesn't really do much for you just because you're looking at the people or the coach behind you, just the living space. So Renegade actually replaces that with the camera system, so you can see out the back, or when you're turning, you can see what's on your blind spot on the right or the left side, which is pretty cool. Back here, you got your 30 amp plug, so this is 30 amp service. And then Renegade's wet bay, which is all water jetted out, so you want to make sure that your coach stands the test of time. So everything is water jetted, so you don't have any stickers, and then that's gonna be like where your propane fill is, where your water hookups are, outside shower, or at least spray port. A lot of different things, still slam latch baggage doors. They use a Schwintek slide system with a slide topper already installed. You do have about a little over 300 watts of solar on board too, so if you are going to do a little bit of boondocking, this is a good option just because it does come with that solar standard. In here, you are going to have your 2,000 watt inverter on board already installed, and then this has a lithium option where it's just 2 200 amp hour lithium batteries rather than your typical marine grade batteries. So that does have that option, just not the Gendelete like full package. Again, reference that video if you want a little bit more information on that, but that kind of gets it for the outside. We're gonna head in and check out the new floor plan. Okay, so here we are inside of Renegade's brand new 2025 Vienna 25 DLC. New floor plan, rear sofa, Murphy bed up in your living space. So first thing I want to show you is that this is going to have the burnished sable cabinetry, which is a little bit different from some of our previous videos where we have the cashmere in the lakewood. So it's a little bit of a darker maple wood that they do. This does not have the high sheen gloss on it, so it's a little bit more of a matte finish, kind of my preference there. But they do have the burnished sable paired with the Athens upholstery color and finishes, but all of their cabinetry is actual real maple wood. When I open some of the drawers, you'll also see that they are dovetailed too, so Renegade is really going for a luxury finish on these. But just wanted to make sure you can see that real wood construction that you have on board. This little baggie that's in here as well is pretty cool, just because if you were to get any sort of like chips or anything in your painting, this is the 3 different colors that your paint scheme on the exterior is made up of. So this is the Telluride. You are also going to have the soft close drawers, but in your kitchen space, nice big countertop. Since we did not do the enhanced lithium package with Gen Delete, we did option this with the 2-burner propane cooktop, just because you're going to rely a little bit more on propane with this option. So if you didn't want that 2-burner propane cooktop, you can do a single burner induction cooktop, which is great if you have that lithium package. Either way, your furnace still runs on propane, so you'll still be using that propane. Solid surface countertops on board. You have a sink cover right here, which leads to a stainless steel circular sink. Then you have a high-rise chrome faucet with a sprayer on board. Little pop-up for some extra outlets if you want to run a coffee pot or a crock pot or something along those lines. Pop that down like that. Kind of gets you for your kitchen space, including also your microwave that you have down below, so you're not reaching up top to try and get all your hot stuff out of the microwave. Then you get to the wardrobe. You'll see something really similar to this wardrobe on most of their floor plans. On the FWC, it's just right across the way, but this wardrobe is going to pair as hanging storage, or you can use it as a pantry space because it does have adjustable shelves, or just use it for like piling clothes in there too. So it's a nice versatile little storage area, just because this is a 25-foot coach. There's not a ton of room. Opening these up, you're just going to have some manuals, TV remotes, a bunch of extra stuff. These are still dovetailed, still solid wood, all soft close, but they all open up like that. Then you do have your converter box hidden down here, so you don't have just like a black box hanging out randomly throughout your coach. This wants to feel like a very luxury finished coach, so you do have that cover over top of it. Crazy thing to have in a floor plan like this is this L-shaped sofa. So back here you'll have storage. Underneath here you'll also have like a little lagoon table for right there. Great for lounging. You have a TV right here. If you want to keep your bed made up, say you're parked at a campsite or something, just because you do have a Murphy bed, if you want to leave that bed down so you don't have to mess with it every single day, you can use this as your main lounging space, which is pretty cool. So TV right there, a bunch of storage up ahead. These will all open up. Storage bays. One more over here. Then here are your blackout shades on all your windows. All of your lights are dimmable on board too, so if you're somebody that likes to read back here, you can turn off all of the main coach lights and leave these on, and then you can dim them down if you'd really like to, just to make it a little bit more versatile. In your bathroom, nice big shower, which I can open up real quick. Nice big shower with a skylight, glass shower door, a nice shower surround as well. You do have a fantastic fan in your bathroom too. So if you have a few people taking a shower and you have a little bit of buildup of condensation, you can use that fantastic fan to expel that. Medicine cabinet in here above the toilet, but you also have a hidden medicine cabinet right here behind your mirror. Just because you have a little bit of a split bath. Solid surface countertops for your bathroom sink, which is outside of the bathroom door just because of the way the layout kind of gets set up with the slide having to come in. Your other bit of pantry space is also right here, so you do have these solid wood pull-out drawers. So great for like cans and non-perishables to put them in there. 12-volt refrigerator is in your slide out with a separate freezer. Great with those lithium batteries and that 300 watts of solar that you do have on the roof. Then you have your sofa. Something to do with the sofa that not a lot of people really realize is this sofa also has storage down below. So you can pull these out. There's your tables that connect to the sofa and also to your L-shaped sofa in the back. But you wouldn't really think there would be storage under here, but yeah, these are pull-out drawers. You do have a couple of seat belts right here as well. And then your bed will collapse down. There's a little bit of storage in a window back there too, which you'll see in some of our B-roll. Up here, Mercedes 3500 chassis. They do not do a stripped down chassis. So you do have power seats, you have heated seats. You're also gonna have all of Mercedes safety features, which will be adaptive cruise control, lane assist, brake assist. And then your rear view mirror is that camera system right up here. So you can angle it towards the driver, so when you change lanes, you can be sure that you can see what's in your blind spots. All right, that's a quick walkthrough on Renegade's brand new floor plan. This is the 2025 Renegade Vienna 25 DLC with the rear L-shaped sofa and then the Murphy bed. If you have any questions, always feel free to give us a shout. This is Eddie at Veurink's RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan. My number is 616-965-9625. I can never go over all of the info on these Renegade Viennas just because it'd be like an hour-long video. So if you have any questions, give us a shout and then we'll see you on the next video.